Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I teach people how to create and customize their Squarespace websites and how to make them unique. Every single week, I share a brand new tutorial about a creative code that you can use to customize Squarespace. I also share deep dives about Squarespace features, and I have a brand new podcast episode that I publish every single Thursday. I'm always eager for more ideas from our community, so if there's something that you want to learn how to do with Squarespace, let me know in the comments below. You can also email me anytime, hello@InsideTheSquare.co. I'm very eager for new ideas, so please don't be afraid to reach out so we can work together to make Squarespace uniquely yours. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope that you become a subscriber soon, and I'll queue up one of my most popular videos next so you can learn how to do cool things with Squarespace. Thanks so much for watching, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now.